Buddy, this morning, this is grade 2, and we are working on sound boxes. We're going to work on our sound boxes today, and we're going to be working on triple beginning blends. Do you remember what a triple beginning blend is? Jillian, what do you think?
A triple whatever it's like. Beginning sound
blend.
It's like you have to figure out how many sounds it has, and you write the words in the boxes.
So let's just pretend we're going to do split in a minute, but let's sound split out on our hands. So how many sounds does split have?
5.
So how many boxes?
Put it down here.
Great. You got your fishy on your hand. You put your fishy on the hand you're not writing with. Write the word split in your sound boxes and cover it up with your fishy quickly, please. Cover Jillian. If I do this, you're okay.
Okay.
You can erase. If I put my Isaiah, you need to think about how many sounds in split. If you take this off for a second and do it with me. Sp is 2 sounds. Sp is 2. Sp. Oh. So how many boxes are you going to have? So start with 5 boxes. Let's see. Good job, Mason. Good job, Jillian. Let's see. Isaiah. Good job, erase. Okay, the next one. Is your work running out? The next one is scrub. If you're having trouble, do it on your hands. See, Jillian. Great job. Okay, keep your eyes on your own page, please. What comes after s? Write your k. Sk. What's next?
All these work with the numbers.
Sorry, you have to sound it out really slowly.
This is
That's a D. Make it a B. Good boy. Scrub. Okay. Okay, the next one is spent. There's a blend in the beginning and a blend at the end. Erase.
My
Cover.
My mark.
Okay, Isaiah. You almost got it. What else could that sound be? Eh. Eh. Try again. What else? That's ah. Go ahead. There you go. Erase, please. Sp, eh. What do you hear? Spent. Spent. Good boy. Okay, well, the last one is brand. The last one is brand. There's a blend in the beginning and a blend at the end of brand. Yes, like Band-Aid brand. Please erase this. And. Say it as slowly as you can and you'll hear all the sounds in brand. Good boy, erase. Good girl, erase your side. Okay, great. Yes, okay. Great. Okay, guys, great.